Hello students, welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen the types of sets and Venn diagrams. So in this video, we are going to see the basic operations on sets. This is the most important topics from sets, the basic operations on sets. We are having for your 10th class union, intersection and difference. Okay? సో ద సమితులపై పరిక్రియల గురించి చూద్దాం. మనకు సమ్మేళనము, ఛేదనము, భేదము ఈ మూడు పరిక్రియలు ఎలా ఉంటాయో వాటికి సంబంధించిన ప్రశ్నలు ఎలా రావడానికి అవకాశం ఉందో లెట్ us see now. ఓకే, సో వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ యూనియన్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్, సమితుల సమ్మేళనము, ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్, సమితుల ఛేదనము, డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్, సమితుల భేదము. సో ఫస్ట్ లెట్ us see what is the union of sets. So union of sets generally we denote it by the symbol U. And intersection we denote with the symbol reverse of U, and the difference we denote with the symbol minus. So if A and B are two sets, then how to represent A union B? So if A and B are two sets, then the union of two sets will represent with A union B. A union B is nothing but that is the union of set A and B, union of set A and B. Same way A intersection B, intersection of two sets A and B, and next A minus B, it is a difference of two sets. So this is the most important topic. Definitely question will come from this topic only, because whatever you question paper you take last year, last 5 years, in the next video we are going to see the previous question papers from the chapter sets. So let us see from 2015 to 25 years question paper we will solve in the next video. What are the questions came and how to solve that question we will see in the next video. But for that video we need basic operations on sets. So that's why let us see today basic operations on set. The first one will be union of sets. First let us see what is the union of sets. So union of set is nothing but if two sets are having A and B are two sets, union is nothing but we are combining the two sets. We are combining the two sets and writing as a one set, that is called union of set. So suppose A is a one set and B is a one set. I am taking elements from A and taking B elements from B. I am writing in a one set, and that set, new set, is a combination of A union B. In fact, we can write that as A union B. That is a union of A and B. Let us take one example. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to say 4, 5, 6. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Then how to write A union B? So A union B is also a set. So we should write both the elements A and B in a single set. That will be union of set. First ఏం చేయాలంటే మీరు write all the elements of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Completed. Next write all the elements of B. But here one thing you should note down, if any element is repeated you need not to write. If any element is repeated you need not to write. So already we know that if in any set no elements will be repeated. While doing the roster form we have learned in the set no element should be repeated. So that is why 4 is there here in the B, but we need not write 4. Only write 5 and 6. So very simple. A union B is a very simple. Just writing the elements of both A and B. Right? So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So symbolically we will show that A union B as, this is the important one, sometimes they may ask, set builder form of union of set. Set builder form of union of set is x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. So this is the set builder form of union of two sets. A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So for union we can even write it as R, OR. Okay, so A union B is nothing but X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. A lana undachu లేదా B lana undachu. So all the elements will write in A union B. So this is about A union B. And let us see now Venn diagrams of this. So Venn diagram is the most important for A union B. So how to write Venn diagram of same this A and B? Already you know how to represent elements of Venn diagram. So let us see which Venn diagram to be selected. That is the first Venn diagram to be selected because 4 is a common in both. Okay, so how to represent? First we should write, this is the common part, I should write 4 here. Say this is A and this is a B, A and B, 4 here. Now remaining from A, already 4 we written, 1, 2, 3. So 4 is a common in both. So I am writing in the common part. And remaining 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 I am writing here. Same way remaining 5, 6. So this is a simply representing A and B. I am not done A union B now. For A union B, what you need to do is combine this with lines. So this total shaded region, we'll call it as A union B. So this is the A union B, shaded region. In fact, this part is called A union B. This is the symbolically we'll write like this. So these lines are showing A union B. Because multiple diagrams will write, so that is why this is a representation of A union B. So this is a A union B. If there is no elements, then also we can represent two sets union. So how to represent that one is simply A and B. So combine these two. So this is A and this is B. So total will be A union B. Okay, so this is with elements and this is a without elements. So if elements are given, first you need to write the elements, then you can shade. Anyway, shading is common in both if elements are there or not. But the question may come like that, by giving the elements they will ask what is A value, what is B value. Let us discuss in solving the problem in the next class which type of questions came from the union. Okay, so this is about union, students. So this is the most important. Next let us see what is the intersection of two sets. Okay students, here one thing you should note down, most important thing. In fact, this question has come in the AP Triple last year. Based on this, let us see what is the important one is. Suppose A is subset to B. A is subset to B, then what is A union B is dash. So this is the most important one. If A is subset to B, if A is subset to B, then what is A union B? Right? So for if question is like this, what you do is take an example. You take an example like that, A and B, which is the bigger one? B is the superset and A is the smaller one. So you take elements like this. A is equal to 1, 2, I am taking only 2 elements, and B is equal to, I am taking 1, 2, 3, because B is a superset and A is a subset. So now what is A union B? So here I am taken A is subset to B, right? So what is A union B? A union B is nothing but first write A elements and 1, 2 are common. I am writing only one time. So the remaining elements are from A, there is no element, I am not writing. From B, only 3 is left, 3. So this is a A union B. So it is nothing but 1, 2, 3. It is same as B, right? It is same as B because 1, 2, 3 elements, 3 elements of B. So A union B is equal to B. So here finally we can conclude that if A is subset to B, then A union B is what? B. Right? So whenever union is coming, the superset will be the union. Union lo manaki ఏ పెద్ద సెట్ ఏది ఉంటుందో అదే ఏ యూనియన్ బిలో వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. నెక్స్ట్ లెట్ us see వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెట్. సమితుల ఛేదనం అంటే ఏంటో చూద్దాం. సో ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెట్, ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్, రైట్? ఇన్ ద యూనియన్ ఆల్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ వెర్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఓన్లీ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్ we should take. So that is the most important point in intersection. So A intersection B is nothing but the element should be there in the A and also it should be there in the B. ఏలో ఉండాలి మరియు బీలో ఉండాలి, అప్పుడు దాన్ని ఏమి రాయాలి? ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి కింద రాస్తాం. సో లెట్ us see now. Suppose if I take an example, same example, if I take 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 4 5 6. A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 4 5 6, then A intersection B will be. So while writing A intersection B, you need to write only the common elements. Common elements mean the elements which are present in A and B. ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి A and Bలో? 4 ఒకటే ఉంది కదా, మిగతా ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా కామన్ లేవు. సో A intersection B is only 4. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఏదైతే కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయో కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకొని 4లో రాయడం, కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకొని ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బీలో రాస్తే దట్ విల్ బీ ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ 2 sets. సో నౌ లెట్ us write set builder form of intersection. So A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. For union it was R, but for intersection it will be AND. AND is nothing but that should present in A and also it should present in B. So this is the intersection. Intersection is nothing but the common elements from A and B. So this is A intersection B. Set builder form is X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay, now let us see the Venn diagrams of this. So how to write Venn diagrams of A intersection B? So most important one is Venn diagram only. So let us take, this is A and this is B. A and B. So if I take same way, representation of sets will be same. What is the representation of sets will be? A is a 1 2 3 4, B is a 4 5 6. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి? కామన్ పార్ట్లో 4 రాయాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద సేమ్ 1 2 3 అండ్ బీలో 5 6. ఫస్ట్ ఏలో ఏం రాసాం? ఫస్ట్ రాయాల్సింది మిడిల్ పార్ట్లో వాట్ ఎవర్ కామన్ ఇస్ దట్, దట్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్, అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ 1 2 3 అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ బి. నౌ విచ్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ ద ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ పార్ట్? సో ద పార్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ పార్ట్. లెట్ us, so this part is a intersection part, right? In fact this part. So this is a intersection B. So both are same, right? From here it is a element form 4, but here the area which is a common for both, which is having only element 4. So this is a intersection B. Let us say without elements. Without element, this is A and this is a B, and this part will be A intersection B. So this is A and this is B, and the middle part will be A intersection B. So this is A intersection B. This is very simple. A intersection B is nothing but only common part we should take. If you observe this Venn diagram, this is a common part, right? So that is why I am shading this. The shaded region is A intersection B. Here is also shaded region. Remaining all representation of sets. So this is about A intersection B. Now let us see in the same manner. Suppose if A is subset to B, then what is A intersection B? This is an important one. Important question. If A is subset to B, then A intersection B is what? మనం ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పాం, ఇఫ్ A is subset to B, then what is A union B? పెద్ద సెట్ ఏది ఉంటే అదే వచ్చింది మనకు B. ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం మనం. Let us take the example for that. A is subset to B అంటే A is equal to 1 2 తీసుకుందాం. B is 1 2 3 తీసుకుందాం. A is subset to B కదా. Then what is A intersection B? A intersection B is nothing but common elements. Common elements we should write. So what are the common elements here? 1, 2 are common elements. So observe here 1, 2 is nothing but A or B. A, right? A is A intersection B. So now if A is subset to B, then A intersection B is what? A. So we can conclude like this. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is the bigger set B. The A intersection B is smaller set A. ఎందుకంటే A is a subset of B, right? So intersection అంటే smaller one. Union అంటే the bigger set. So this you should note down. Okay students, if A is subset to B, then A union B was B. If A is subset to B, then A intersection B is A. Okay, understand? Now let us see what is the difference of two sets. Suppose A and B are two sets, then how to write difference of two sets? So this is little bit different than union and intersection. So here it will be A minus B and B minus A also will be there. So in the union, A union B, B union A, both are same only. Intersection also A intersection B and B intersection A, both are same only. But wherein in the difference, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Let us see how to write difference of two sets. So generally we denote difference by minus symbol. If A and B are two sets, then we denote it by A minus B. A minus B. So here first let us see what is the set builder form of it. Set builder form of difference of two sets. Suppose A minus B is there. So A minus B set builder form is X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So this is the most important one. A minus B is nothing but X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. అంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే A మైనస్ Bలో ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ తీసేయాలి A నుంచి. The elements which are present in B should be removed from A. So A minus B is nothing but, first let us see one example, then you will understand easily. So A is equal to, let us take same example 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 4 5 6. చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. A is 1 2 3 4, B is 4 5 6. Then A minus B will be, ఎలా రాస్తారంటే A minus B ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఓన్లీ Aనే చూడాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ A, రైట్? Aలో ఎలిమెంట్సే రాయాలి, ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి? Aలో ఎలిమెంట్సే రాయాలి, బికాస్ X బిలాంగ్స్ టు A. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఒక కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ని తీసేయాలి, కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ తీసేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం A ఈజ్ 1 2 3 4, B ఈజ్ 4 5 6. ఫస్ట్ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏముంది? 4 4 కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఫస్ట్ మీరు చేయాల్సింది A మైనస్ B అయినా B మైనస్ అయినా A మైనస్ B కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మీరు ఫస్ట్ నోట్ చేసుకోవాలి. 4 and 4 ఈజ్ అ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. సో ద రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ యూ రైట్ ఇయర్. దేంట్లో రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి? Aలో రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్సే రాయాలి, 1 2 3. సో A మైనస్ B అంటే ఏంటి? Aలో రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాస్తే దట్ ఈస్ A మైనస్ B. B మైనస్ A అంటే ఏంటంటే Bలో రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి, కామన్ కాని ఎలిమెంట్స్. అదర్ దాన్ ద కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ యూ షుడ్ రైట్ యాజ్ B మైనస్ A, ప్యూర్ B ఎలిమెంట్స్, ప్యూర్ B ఎలిమెంట్స్. A మైనస్ B అంటే ప్యూర్ A ఎలిమెంట్స్, ఓన్లీ A ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ Bలో ఉంటే దట్ వీ డోంట్ రైట్. సో హియర్ 1 2 3, B మైనస్ A ఏమైతే చెప్పండి, ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి. B మైనస్ A అంటే మనం ఏం రాయాలి? ప్యూర్గా B నుంచి రాయాలి. Bలో 4 5 6 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బట్ 4 అనేది Aలో కూడా ఉంది కాబట్టి వీ షుడ్ నాట్ రైట్, రైట్? సో రిమైనింగ్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ 5 6. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ A మైనస్ B అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ B minus A. So unlike union and intersection, here difference A minus B is a different and B minus A is also different. Wherein in the union, A union B is equal to B union A, and also A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, but A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So this you can note down. Now let us see what is the B minus A set builder form. B minus A set builder form ఏమవుతుంది? Same, x such that x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A. B minus A is nothing but x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A. So this is the difference of two sets. So definitely question will be asked from the difference of sets. This time I am expecting question from difference of two sets. Now let us take some more example, because this is the most important one. I'll take an example like this. Suppose A is equal to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B is equal to, if I take 4 8 4 6 8 10 12. A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B is equal to 4 6 8 10 12. So what is A minus B? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి అమ్మా, A minus B ఏమవుద్ది? A minus B అంటే మనం ఓన్లీ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఏం చేయాలి, దేనిపైన? ఏ సెట్ పైన కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయాలి. సో ఏలో కామన్ ఏమేమి ఉంది చూడండి. 4 is a common, 6 is also common. So this is the first thing you need to do. So 1 2 3 5 only left. So ఏం వస్తుంది అప్పుడు? A minus B 1, A minus B is 1 2 3 5. So this is the A minus B. వెరీ సింపుల్. మీకు ఒకటే గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ తీసేసి ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి, ఓన్లీ ప్యూర్ ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి. ఏ మైనస్ బి అంటే, బి మైనస్ ఏ అంటే కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ తీసేసి ప్యూర్ బి మైనస్ ఏ ఎలిమెంట్సే రాయాలి. మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు, సార్ కామన్ లేకపోతే ఏంటి? రైట్, కామన్ లేకపోతే ఏంటి మనం చూద్దాం నెక్స్ట్. సో బి మైనస్ ఏ ఈజ్ 4 6 వెళ్ళిపోయాక రిమైనింగ్ ఆర్ 8 10 12, 8 10 12. So this is a B minus A. So A minus B is 1 2 3 5 because 4 and 6 are common, and B minus A ante B lo 4 6 common in A, so 8 10 12. So this is the B minus A. Now let us take one example which are not having common lekapothe enti, right? So let us see, the example is, suppose A is equal to x such that x is a prime. X is a prime number and x less than or equal to 10. ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సెట్ కాకుండా జనరల్లీ మనం ఏంది ఫైనైట్ సెట్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో A is equal to x such that x is a prime number, x less than 10 అంటే మీకు తెలుసు ఏంటది. That means first we need to convert to roster form, then 2 3 5 7 and 2 3 5 7, right? Now B is equal to, if I take say 4 6 8 10 and 12. Now A and B, right? So A is a 2 3 5 7, B is a 4 6 8 10 12. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి, ఏమైనా కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? There is no common element. Then how to write A minus B? So A minus B will write it as, అంటే ఏం రాయాలి? ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి. కామన్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? కామన్ ఏం లేదు. సో కామన్ ఏం లేనప్పుడు ఏం రాస్తాం మనం? మిగతా అని రాయాలి, ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి. కామన్ ఉన్నాయి తీసేసి మిగతా ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ కామన్ ఏం లేవు కాబట్టి మొత్తం రాసేయండి 2 3 5 7. B minus A అంటే టోటల్ B రాయాలి, 4 6 8 10 12. సో హియర్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ వన్ నోట్ దట్ A అండ్ B ఏం సెట్స్ అవి? మనం ఆల్రెడీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్ చెప్పుకున్నప్పుడు చెప్పాం. ఏంటది? A అండ్ B ఆర్ 2 disjoint సెట్స్. సో disjoint సెట్స్ అని మీకు కండిషన్ ఇస్తాడు. ఇఫ్ 2 సెట్స్ ఆర్ disjoint సెట్స్, దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దట్ సెట్స్? సో disjoint సెట్స్ అన్నప్పుడు మీరు there is no common elements, then we call it as a disjoint sets, right? So what is if A B are disjoint sets? A and B are disjoint sets, then first what is A minus B? A minus B ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి? A నే వచ్చింది. So A minus B is equal to A. And what is the B minus A? B minus A is also B. Then one more thing, what is a, if disjoint sets, what is A intersection B? What is A intersection B? Any guess? A intersection B అంటే ఏం రాయాలి మనం? A intersection B అంటే కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏం లేవు, మరి ఏం రాయాలి? కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏం లేకపోతే విల్ రైట్ empty set or null set. So A intersection B is equal to null set, or you can write A intersection B is equal to pi. Pi అన్న null set అన్న సేమ్ రైట్. సో ఇక్కడ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే టూ సెట్స్ ఆర్ డిజాయింట్ సెట్. A minus B is A, B minus B, B minus A is B. సో ఈ 3 పాయింట్స్ అనేవి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ టూ సెట్స్ ఆర్ డిజాయింట్ సెట్స్. సో డిజాయింట్ సెట్స్ అన్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ is a null set and union ఏమవుతుంది? If two sets are disjoint set, what will be the union? Union is nothing but combination of two elements, two sets, right? So A minus B is A and B minus A is B. A intersection B is equal to null set. So this is about difference of two sets. Now let us see what is the Venn diagrams, how to write Venn diagrams of this. We know that. So this is the way A and B same thing. Generally we'll take in a rectangle box. Now suppose if I am taking A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 4 5 6. Same example I am taking. A is equal to 1 2 3 4, B is equal to 4 5 6. Then what is A minus B? So this is A and this is B. First thing is you need to represent elements in a set. So representing set means what is the common elements? We need to check. Common is 4. So write here. Okay. Now remaining elements of A is 1 2 3 right here. Remaining elements of B 5 6 right here. So representing of elements is common for union aina intersection aina ఏ తీసుకున్నా కూడా representation of element is common in the Venn diagram. Now what is A minus B? A minus B అంటే ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం? Pure A. ఇక్కడ so this part will be A minus B. This part is A minus B. So A elements ఉన్న దాంట్లో ఓన్లీ 1 2 3 ఉన్నాయి కదా, మనకి A minus B అంటే ఏంటి? 1 2 3 రైట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ A minus B. B minus A అంటే ఏంటి? 5 6 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి? సో దిస్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ B minus A. So this left hand side is, left part is A minus B and this is the B minus A. Clear? Let us take one more example. Suppose without elements if I take, so what is this part? This part is A minus B. If I take one more and this part is B minus A. So A minus B is this, B minus A is this one. So this is the important one, difference of two sets. So based on this, how the questions have come, let us see in the next video. Okay students, so this is about intersection difference of sets. So now we have seen what is the union of set, what is the intersection of set, and what is the difference of two sets. And also we have seen how to represent elements in the Venn diagram and also how to represent union of two sets and intersection of two sets and difference of two sets in a Venn diagram form. Okay students, in the next video we are going to see the most important video that will be previous year question. I'll take 2015 to 2020, total 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6 years question paper, and also we'll take AP AAAT question paper last year 2020. So total from 7, I'll take 7 question papers, and from the sets chapter how many questions have come, let us solve that in the next video. Okay students, so go through this video thoroughly and make a notes and practice the questions. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.